Alright guys, we are at Woodbury Common. I am here with Debra, the lovely Debra, and the lovely Rose. Rose! Come shopping with us. I hopefully don't see too many things that I want to buy. I love how this thing automatically auto-corrects for white balance, because when I was looking at myself it was mad yellow and now it's like perfect. Alright guys, so we are about to go into the outlets. Now one thing about outlet shopping that you really got to be careful for, a lot of the outlets have stuff that's specially made for the outlet, so it's sometimes not the same quality, but we'll see what we see when we see it. I'm like mad bundled up and wishing that I had like layers underneath my jeans and underneath my sweater because it's super cold up here. Like we're up north. Well, not north, but we're up north. But I need you to take a look at this sexy bitch right here. You can't see because we're backlit. She has on a satin skirt, no tights. This one here, sexy bitch. And this next one here. With her cute stuff on. So show us what you're getting. You gotta model it for us.
Yeah.
I love it. How much is it?
I don't even know.
Oh, it doesn't have a tag? Oh, she balling out here. She don't even know. She's like, I don't even know how much it costs. Throw it in the bag, honey.
69.
I think it's like 60% off.
Yeah.
Oh, 69 with 60% off, and let's see what you got. I don't have a wide angle lens, so you gotta go over there.
You gotta kick that.
Oh, this is super cute.
Sweater dress.
Yes.
In the grays.
Okay, how much is that one?
It's 99 problems, but
but it's 60% off, right?
yeah,
Okay.
60% off. So
Yes.
Wait for this. Let's balance it out.
All right. Balenciaga, here we go. Oh no, really?
Using my phone.
Do you need a, I don't even know how I would even help. Hi, how are you? Now, if I remember correctly, I think a lot of these sneakers were within the $500 to $800 price range. I like the way that they look, but I also feel like there's so many knockoffs on the market that you can get, like at Zara, at ASOS, at so many places. So you can get the look for less, especially the sock sneaker kind of look. I've seen that so many places. I'm not there yet with buying designer sneakers. I'm more of like a, you know, maybe like a small bag and, you know, some cute accessories, but sneakers, I'm not there yet. What about you? Let me know in the comments. I had to mute this clip because of the background noise just didn't sound great, but for the rest of the video, we'll be talking, cracking jokes, you'll hear our commentary, so, you know, just adding in some filler where I can. Adding in some filler.
It's actually $350.
So
Really? $350?
Oh no, for the boots.
And this looks like it's my size. Oh, not even. It's a 40. I need a 41.
This is $389. Now I'm pissed. I paid $700 for mine.
But did you get it when it came out? Can you take it? Can you handle it?
Danielle, I'm so done. This is so good though. Wow, and it matches your outfit too. The coat, it's like,
You know, when you know, you know.
this is amazing.
See, this is how
How much? That's it. You walking out on your glasses, ma'am.
These are just...
They are amazing.
I feel like this make it too fun though. I want something for everyone. It's good on with the jacket. It's so nice. It's like,
You know,
it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Y'all open to the pocket.
I curl my hair too tight on this. You know, just casually walking around. Casually walking to Celine.
You got paparazzi holding the camera.
Please,
had them
photos.
Wow. Damn. You just know how to pick them.
The gaudiest thing, that's what I usually pick. Whatever's the gaudiest, that is for me. Although I do like the other ones that I tried.
I like the other ones. Yeah, way better. I love these. I would totally.
I was just looking at
I
this.
would totally get this. That is. This reminds me of a duck. Can you
I need
imagine?
something this color. I hope something. This color. This is
Baby duck. Do.
Now this I could do without. That looks more like a duck than anything. I'll let you want to go in. No? And then that's this brand that they were talking about on the documentary that I was watching with the animals that I might be.
Huh?
Oh,
Which one is what?
I don't know.
Oh, the McDonald's open they were talking about?
I'm saying, I don't know directions. I'm thinking that's where we need to go, but this
they
is where
had
we
a
need to
bad thing with fur and killing the animals and.
Wow.
Well, you want to go BCBG?
No, I'm good. You wanna go? No. You wanna go to Chloe?
Chloe is my spot. Look at the Chelsea.
I have Chelsea boots.
We'll go in, Chloe.
I'm good.
You good?
You wanna go?
Deb? You sure?
I have what I wanted.
She's smiling. You sure?
Dior.
You want to go?
Yes! I wanna go to Dior.
All right, let's go.
Where do you at? Oh, why is it so dark in there?
Right?
Somebody died or something. Jackie who?
Jackie O.
Oh, Jackie O. Okay. I was like, what? Dior. Dior. So chic.
And I like
The bushes.
But it all depends on the price.
Exactly. If the price is right, then.
The price is wrong.
Yeah, wrong.
it's short.
It's true. I think it's good. I think it's a good fit for you. Oh, to do it up. Okay, I see.
But this is, oh my god, this is cute.
It's so cute.
Like you said, if it was 8, then
Yeah.
it's $13.19. $13.19. It's so cute. But I wouldn't get much wear out of it for it to make sense.
It's so fun.
This is so fun.
Like, they have it in black too.
Yeah. All right. Don't want to get demonetized. We're in the car eating because the layout of the food establishments here are quite small and not accommodating enough. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but it was mad tight up in Shake Shack, so we in the car eating. I am contemplating if I want to get these. Actually, Debra and I are contemplating because we're going to get the same glasses just in different colors, if we want those Fendi sunglasses that we tried on. So we're going to mull it over, eat, break bread, mull things over, go back by not Gucci, what's it? Fendi, and, see if we want them. Stay tuned. Oh my god, yeah, I want these. There's the culprit. Bloggers be blogging. Alright guys, what did you think of the outlet today? I know you guys were saying that you saw some things that you liked in Dior.
Yes.
You saw some pretty bags in Dior.
Oh, Dior had all the things, guys.
All of the things.
Everything.
So turn it down. Turn it off. Alright guys, so I'm on my way back home. Didn't see much that I was loving. I did get the Fendi sunglasses. Those I was loving. Funny thing in Fendi, I tried on some gold cowboy boots. Actually, what I should say is them gold cowboy boots tried me on.
Basically.
Because them joints was tight. So when I put them on, I was like, oh, these feel tight. I'm going to need to size up. And then I was like, they too gold for me, even for me. And then when I go to take them off, I'm like, oh, okay. You're not coming off easily. I was like, miss, might need to enlist your help. So we were struggling. And these two in the corner cracking up. Oh my God, if we got it on camera, that would have been funny. But this other boot, they had to get a guy to come help. And he pulled, and then I fell off the couch. It was just high comedy. And they were like, yo, this happens all the time. And I could tell they weren't just saying that to make me feel good. They were like, this happens regularly. This is why we were prepared. Anyway, quick outlet tip. When you're looking around at things, because there were a couple of things that I know Debra and Rose were saying that were cheaper. They sold them cheaper at a sack sale or at, what did you say, Chop Bob? That you could find things cheaper. Just pull out your phone, pull out, you can do Google shopping, or you can go on a site like shopstyle.com and then just enter the item that you're looking for and just kind of look around and see if you can get it at a better price, because sometimes the outlet doesn't always have the best price. Anyway, guys, it was fun. Oops, I don't know, I just activated something back there and in the front. Oh my God! It's been real. Follow my homies. Both of them have YouTube channels as well. I'll put it in the description box as well as their Instagrams. Follow me on social, because when I'm not here on YouTube, I'm probably hanging somewhere else out on the internet. And I will see you fine folks in my next video. Bye, guys.